By this point, the number of people that we've pranked with air horns must be in the millions. I'm here with the 10-year anniversary of the golf course air horn prank, one of the most epic prank compilations in the history of mankind. The following footage, we get chased several times. We almost got arrested and put in handcuffs, only for us to get arrested and put in handcuffs the very next time we filmed it.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Come on now! Don't grab anything!
Cops have showed up at my house for this. We've been caught by the police too many times to count. All I'm gonna say is if you wanna see another golf course air horn, you gotta like the video. I know for a fact I pressed at least 100,000 buttons to get this video on the internet. You can at least click the like button. Yes, it actually makes a difference. And since you get to watch these videos for free, what the f, dude? Now buckle your seatbelts and grab some popcorn. Because wow, we have some footage for you guys.
Merge 2, second splice. Copy 2, roughly north.
These are some of the very first air horn clips ever featured on the JoogSquad channel.
This may in fact been the first time that anybody ever threatened to shoot us for a prank, but it definitely wasn't the last time. I don't even think it was the last time that day.
North. Merge 2, second splice. Copy 2, roughly north.
How you doing? Pretty good, how are you? Pretty good. Oh, happy Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day.
Air horn in the trees.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Blowing horns out here.
I'm horny though.
Dope.
Alright, we're about to get out of here.
You need to go. Not supposed to be out here. You need to go now, not about to get out.
You're not supposed
to
to
be
be here either.
You can see from here?
Here.
He's coming over here.
Hey, the cops are coming though. You guys might want to dip.
We should probably dip, huh? Thanks for the heads up, though. I'm in some nooks, that's probably not.
Dude, you fucking
Oh, dude! I thought you were going. I almost fell.
fucking dick. About to push you off those rocks.
This is where things start to get interesting. And by interesting, I mean this is the first time that a guy got so mad he tried to kill us.
North. Merge 2, second splice. Copy 2, roughly north.
For real, dude? Huh? For real? You think I can't see you for real? Huh? Hey, I'm asking you something, dude. You sitting there shaking.
I'm a bush.
You know, hell no.
I'm a bush.
You're a bush? So what happens if...
Bush been smacked, huh? Huh? What I'm asking? You slap me, dude? Huh? Hell yeah, I slap you, mother. Come on! You better get out of here quick, Casey. Casey, I'm on, bitch.
Yeah, how far can you run? Yeah.
So this was literally right after I got attacked by the psycho dude during the ding dong ditch. So when he freaked out, I didn't want to reveal myself because I had PTSD from the last time. But if I know one thing, if you get that mad over a kid pranking you with an air horn to where you're going to attack a child, you at least deserve to get pranked one more time and maybe even be called a little bitch. Let's go. Get him at the next hole, dude. Do it. Come on. Get a couple feet away from me. Do it. He's coming over here now. I said you're a little bitch for not taking a joke, dude. It's a joke.
Put the golf club down.
Your butt hurt, dude.
Fight, bro. F off.
Take a joke, dude. You're ridiculous.
Check how small your
Shut up, Jigman. Just be quiet, man. Dude, Jigman, shut up. That's why they don't take you seriously, because you say shit like that. Now, throughout the history of doing this prank, people have called us dicks before. So we decided that we would bring a dick costume just in case someone called us a dick so that we could do this.
East 5.
Alright, it's about to go down. Dude, what is up with your shirt?
Dude, you said we had to wear camouflage, man.
That is genius, dude. Don't molest the alligators. I saw Merrick fondling an alligator the other day. Honk it, honk it. We also brought the dick costumes because we thought that it would be unlikely for someone to beat a dick in public, because that is illegal. And that one fact might have saved us. Got a hurt foot.
This brings us to the very next time we were out golf course air horning. We got attacked. This time it was by your grandfather.
Stuck up your ass.
Bring it on, Albert.
Oh, let's go! He's gonna get the shaft. Oh, here he comes with the shaft!
An idiot.
He's gonna beat my I'm just a little horny today.
Yeah, you're more than a little, or you're a f***ing idiot.
Yeah, back here on number 18, you got a couple of idiots in the woods. They're pulling a foghorn or something. Somebody tees off. Okay, this guy is right here. They're right here. They're hightail, motherfucker. They're coming for you.
I'm coming for you, big boy!
Whoa!
What are you afraid of? Shit, what are you afraid of? Huh? What are you afraid of?
It's a joke, man.
No, it's not a joke. You're idiots. Grow up.
Now this brings us to the prankster tip of the day. Be careful how close you hide to the tee box, because you might get peed on. For real.
Bingo fuel.
Holy shit. That dude took a piss like 10 feet away from me. Alright, so we're up in trees now. I'm like 15 feet up in a tree. Wes is somewhere over there in a tree. Merrick's in a tree. And the T is right there. So we gotta...
So, us here at JoogSquad never pass up the opportunity for a good improvised line. We used to tell people they dropped something a lot at the beach and driving along the road. Well, this opportunity worked out perfectly. 3 of us were hiding in trees along the cart path. As a group of golfers came up, we said they dropped something and then traded voices between the 3 trees. They couldn't figure out who was talking to them or where it was coming from for several minutes. Here's one of the greatest clips we've ever filmed on accident.
No, I think. Hey, you dropped something. You, in the golf cart.
I guess you can't win. No, I hit a tree. Somebody keeps yelling, drop something, and I don't know.
On the cart path.
Somebody keeps saying you dropped something.
Oh, my handcuffs are on.
Did you drop anything? Not that I can see, but.
Okay.
Okay.
Drop something.
Are you coming, Doc?
Yeah.
What? What the hell's going on? Where is it coming from? I don't know. Well, if we didn't drop anything, then I guess away we go. Not that I can see. Okay, then let's go. I think he called somebody.
Over here.
Yeah, no.
Drop something.
Come on.
Right there.
It looks like money.
I saw it.
That's pretty. You guys doing that too?
I don't think you're funny, huh?
No,
No? Why the hell are you blowing his horn?
I don't have a horn.
Oh, I see. Well, you better watch close. Stop on drugs?
Beautiful swing, though. You're on your A game today.
You're asking for it, asshole. You're asking for it.
Get the fuck down. They look pissed.
Sheriff's on his way.
Oh, he's hitting golf balls at us now. Yeah. See ya. That's sick. I've never seen a bald eagle like in person wild before. Really?
So we actually got a lot of really good reactions to this golf course because this golf course was set up perfectly with woods and a fence between us and the golfers, so they couldn't swing their clubs or hit us with balls very easily. We actually ended up pranking so many people so well at this golf course without getting caught. The cops had to show up at Jack's house with a threat that if we ever showed up at that golf course again that we would be arrested.
Very next evening.
You and your friends going over to golf course. If you go back there, you go to jail. Right? All the shenanigans with the air horn and all that stuff. And there's no criminal charges brought against you now. And the people at the course say if you go back there, they're going to have to file criminal charges for trespassing.
Well, I apologize that you guys had to go out for that.
No, we're already out here. But like I said,
yeah, we had a couple friends out there one day and we were just kind of doing it to our friends and people that they knew.
The thing it's posting in the video, it's easy for us to figure out who it is and who's behind it.
Yeah.
So and you got to kind of respect the golfers out there and the course.
I understand.
They just wanted us to come out here and let you know if you come back there, they're going to push charges for trespassing.
Okay.
So let your friends know too that if any of them are back there, they're going to be looking to get in trouble. So it ain't worth it. Just I get the laugh, funny, but at the end of the day, that was me golfing and you with the air horn. I feel like pissed off.
Yeah, I understand.
Alrighty.
Well, thank you for coming out. I'm sorry that you guys had to do it.
No worries at all.
We won't be back. Don't worry.
We're just trying to figure out how to get in here. Yeah. I didn't even know how to get up to your room door. So.
No one ever does. Pizza deliveries are the worst.
Circled around 3 times. So, yeah. So, all right, guys. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care. You're the one that was doing that goofy jumping on the balls and
the ping pong balls on the trampoline?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that video. It's crazy what you can do with 10,000 ping pong balls. Hey, well, thank you guys. Have a great night.
I say, Jack, you got friends here that I'm not letting in my house because they have guns and I don't have a gun.
Now this one, oh, there's an airplane. Now this was 100% the wrong group of people to air horn with. Mainly because we all have such huge balls that we just started being ignorant because none of us cared if we got caught at all. I mean, look at this. That is not very well hidden at all, is it? So we went hard, and we almost tasted a golf club and went to jail. Enjoy. You're supposed to wear camouflage, right? You guys told... Nice, dude. Heck yeah.
Jack.
What?
Where are you, man?
I'm camouflaged.
Go back home.
The boy. Oh, he's got the camera too. I think it's even better though. We have like this little trench in the middle of 2 giant hedges. Yep, now we're in the perfect spot and we just gotta wait. Oh my God. Oh my. The dude cracks open a beer and drives away. Yes.
That's funny as hell.
Oh my God. Poor dicks. Oh my God. So early. Amateurs. Oh my God, we need to get the hell out of here right now. Oh, we need to leave. Come on, cut to the tree.
Wait. Chill out. I want to get that guy when he tees off again.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna hop on the go.
Oh shit, he is coming over here.
Yeah, go. Chill.
Where is he? Oh yeah, he totally is. Oh shit! Hey, honk the horn at him. Oh shit. I'm not doing anything. I'm not gonna let that old guy hit me in the face. Is he chasing Salty?
We're done, dude.
Get your ass out.
Is the cop there?
Cop's right there. We'll go talk to the cop.
No. I'm gonna kick your ass over there.
No, you're not.
Really?
Let me have my camera.
I'll hold it.
We're coming. Officer, we're coming. Officer, we're coming. Don't let this guy whip my ass.
God damn it.
We're coming.
Fucking. Ah.
We're going, man. We were doing air horns.
We're just.
Alright, well, you're not gonna let that guy hit him.
Hey!
Tell
Get
that guy
away
to
from
chill.
him with the club!
That's crazy.
Sorry, man. We were doing it to our friend first, and that guy just got pissed.
Lucky he didn't get shot.
Are we really lucky that we didn't get shot for blowing an air horn on a golf course? Do people really be out here just shooting people for slight annoyances? Should that cop be a cop if he think he would have been justified in shooting us? Just imagine he were to shoot all three of us and say, yeah, they had that coming.
Sorry about that. No, we're gonna
Get up here on the sidewalk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worries. You still rolling?
Film this. Always.
Sorry about that, man. We've been no harm.
Sit down.
All right, I'm gonna take this off. It's
I
hot.
don't give a shit. Sit down.
All right, yes, sir. Man, what are y'all doing?
We're just trying to make people laugh. That's all.
It's our job.
We weren't trying.
Ghillie outfits?
Well,
Yeah, it's
you can't really.
camouflage.
We're just hanging out, man. We didn't do no damage, nothing. We were just literally sitting on the outside of the course, and these two guys with the drive. We blew the blue horn, and then they got pissed off. We weren't even on the course. You saw we had to run away because the guy was running after us.
We're not trying to waste your guys' time. We apologize.
Yeah, well, when somebody comes
running out in the middle of the road with a golf club, and then I see him hiding behind a tree.
Yeah. So sorry, man. For real. I mean, like I said.
You wouldn't catch me even if you tried.
Well, I don't think he would have caught you, but
I can see it from your eyes.
We apologize. We're just, you know.
We were trying to say we were sorry to him, but he just got really upset.
So mad.
Yeah.
Take it to the next.
You got ID on you?
I got nothing.
I don't.
I have mine.
All three you're out.
I have mine.
You gotta be BSing.
I
You're out in
not
ghillie
on me.
suits.
It's not
you don't
on
have
me.
any identification
I
on
have
you at
mine,
all,
sir.
and
Well,
you're
we're-
out running around in ghillie suits.
Well, I have my.
We definitely weren't trying to waste your guys' time. That's the last thing that we ever want to do.
You guys don't have the ID on you?
I really don't. I only have my passport, so it's like I don't
got a
carry it
passport
around.
on you right now?
No, I don't carry it around because I can't lose it.
You don't have a driving license. Why
No,
not?
I don't have a license at all. Actually.
Suspended?
No, it's not suspended.
How old are you?
24.
And you don't drive?
He lives in New York
I live in New York
City,
City.
too. Yeah.
How about you?
I do drive.
You don't have a driving license on you now?
I didn't drive, no sir.
I mean, you don't carry ID on you?
Not particularly.
how'd you guys get here?
Drove.
We drove here.
Yeah.
Who drove? Where's your car?
Over there.
Which car is yours?
The Xterra.
Is your license in the car?
He has my license.
Carrying a golf club though, chasing us. Isn't that like assault?
We weren't even on the
He didn't
course.
touch us though, so 165. I'm not exactly sure.
Blonde, eyes blue?
Yep.
We had a lot of people laugh about it, but that guy was not stoked.
We figured nobody was gonna find us too, because we just got these brand new shirts in, camouflage, you know, to blend in. Got
Talking
the
about
shoes.
those or the camel shirt?
No, the camel.
Yeah.
I told you I'm getting old. It took me a second.
You got it.
I'm getting old, bro. I'm getting
No
old.
worries, man. No worries. These kids almost found us earlier. We were hiding out. These kids over here found us. You guys almost blew our cover.
We gotta hear
Austin,
it.
buddy, how tall are you?
6 foot. Got a little dice.
You guys.
Yes, sir.
Anybody want to tell me if you got warrants on you or not?
Oh, no warrants. No, nothing like that.
You think we'll be out here doing this?
No warrants. Like I said, I got expunged. No
We
worries.
might be crazy, but we're nuts.
I might have an unpaid speeding ticket.
Second.
No worries.
Sir. How many interactions are next to my name when you look me up?
Jackson, you got a warrant.
I have a warrant? Are you serious? For what? Oh, you mother. I was like,
Oh, you
I was about to just be like, wow.
A goat filed a complaint.
Damn. Oh, I just got.
That was funny. I really.
Guys, I mean, believe me, I'm not that old. This is pretty funny to me. I'm not a golfer anyway, so so I don't see the golfer side, so to speak. But you guys got to.
We're done.
We're
We're
out.
done. We promise.
We're out of here.
You got any questions? All right, guys.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much,
man.
sir. Have a great day. Camouflage. If you would like to purchase camouflage, clip.
You got the clip? That's yours. There you go, my man.
Rock, paper, scissors.
And you won rock, paper,
You're
scissors.
the only person on earth that now owns a pair of camouflage shoes besides the immediate.
Really? I thought these were for sale.
No, not yet.
Oh.
Can you see me? No, I didn't think so. All right, this might be. I'm right here. This might be one of the craziest clips ever filmed in the history of the JoogSquad channel. That was easily the closest I've ever been to someone who wanted to beat me up without them seeing me. I don't think we've ever been closer to a guy without them seeing us, like 1 foot away. Easily the closest we've ever been to getting caught by the cops for a prank, but I wasn't convinced we were doing anything wrong, so I had no reason to talk to them at the time. I think I helped her shot.
Oh gosh, he's taking pictures and calling.
Oh shit. He's gonna be right next to me. His ball is 20 feet away from me. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, get the shot from over there. This is about to be full savage mode, boys. I'm pretty sure I really that guy shot off. Oh god, he doesn't even know where his ball is.
Thank you.
Hey, the clubhouse, hide. Stay low, stay low. Yeah. Hey, if they come up to us, we just start honking the horns and we run. Wait for it.
There's a car parked over there harassing all the golfers. They're honking blowing an air horn, and they complain often. Times I've had to go out there because people were in front of them and they weren't playing fast enough for them. So,
he's a baller golfer.
Yeah, this is it. He got us. He got us. Hey, don't honk it this time. Don't. He's gonna try to fake us out again. Where? Yo, this is the worst security guard ever. Alright, yeah, I think he's calling the cops. We should run. You guys ready? Where's your guys' car? Don't stop at this car. Go to your car. Ah! 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 Go, 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 go! Yo, this is the worst security guard ever.
No
They're coming.
Oh my god.
Someone open up the trunk. Oh.
They're going to the other car.
Yeah. Someone just get in the back. Get in the back.
Hop in, bro.
Go, 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 go.
Yo!
Go, it's a golf cart. It's a golf cart. Go.
I'm not in the car though!
Hold on it. He was waiting. How did you, if they see it?
Down, Jack does not.
Chasing Ricky and them. I gotta distract them. I might be pushing my luck. This could be it for me, boys. Oh shit, both of the cops are coming back this way. If we catch them on the course, we'll deal with it. signaling them to pick me up. We have cell phones. What millennium is this shit? I'm literally just sitting next to a tree. I was like in a ball, just like hiding. I have no idea how he didn't see me. How did I not just get caught? God damn it, I almost just got me. Hey!
Seatbelt. Somebody close their door.
Bro, they were literally 1.5 feet away from me, walked straight past me. Go right. Yeah, go right, because the cops are to the left. Remember earlier when I said it was one of the craziest prank moments ever? Well, that was easily second to this one. We decided to go do golf course air horn in Los Angeles, California. And people in California do not find pranks as funny as they do in Florida. And we got put in handcuffs and arrested.
Southwest, 901.
Hey, show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Come on now! Don't grab anything!
What are you guys doing here? You stop doing that?
Yes!
Get out of there. What are you doing?
Sorry?
Will you stop that
I'm just a bush.
Shut. Dude, what are you f***ing crazy? Just get the f*** out of here.
No, look. I'm camouflaged.
So what?
So just carry on. Camouflaged.
Will you stop doing that horn? Stop blowing the horn.
Sorry, I like playing with horns.
Do it somewhere else.
No, this is my favorite spot, though.
I don't care. Don't do it when we're here. Seriously.
Sorry!
Yeah, you get it purpose, you motherfucker! Do it, you asshole! Yeah, you horny, motherfucker! I'm gonna kick your ass!
Love you!
Kiss my ass!
I'll get trying to get mine.
I'm gonna call the cops on you first. It was an accident, my bad. My bad. He gets a little horny sometimes and just for the jokes. A guy paid me $1 to do it again. I'll give it to you instead. I'm not even joking. I'm actually not. Yeah, just kick it for a little bit. This hole has a reverse handicap. It was me, ha ha.
Hey, show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Come on now! Show me your hand! Don't grab anything!
Alright.
We're just
You stand up, slowly.
We're just pranking our friends.
Alright. Slowly, turn around.
You don't have any weapons.
Alright. You stand up.
We're just pranking our friends.
Alright. Slowly, turn around. Slowly, step forward. Step forward. Alright, turn around. You. Step forward.
How far?
Forward.
Yeah, we're just pranking our friends, dude.
Step forward.
How far?
Guys, behind your back.
Yeah, we're just pranking our friends, dude. Did we do anything wrong?
Filming what?
What? Did we do
Who's
anything
filming?
wrong? I'm filming. I'm filming.
Where's your
sir.
camera?
Right under my feet.
Okay.
Did we do anything wrong?
We'll explain to you in a second.
Okay,
What I
yes,
tell
sir.
you, it'll be no problem.
I'm filming.
turn around.
I'm filming.
Where's your camera?
Right under my feet.
Okay.
Did we do
Turn
anything
around.
wrong?
We'll explain to you in a second.
Okay,
What I
yes,
tell
sir.
you, it'll be no problem. Yes, sir.
Like I said, we'll cooperate with you guys however we can.
Hands behind your back. Release your fingers. Put your fingers together. Like that. There you go.
I was 17.
$25.
I don't know shit. Whatever. If she doesn't know, that would be like I'd be. Are you gonna tell mom?
Hey man, it's the first time for us.
Where's the ghillie suit at?
You say you promised me. Hey, that's good. That's very good.
So wait, it says, alright, I'm confused. It says notice to appear, but they told me that we would just have to pay it and we were good, right? Wait, what does it say?
No, that's the description, but we weren't even on the golf course, bro.
Loud, raucous noise in park using air horn on golf course. Hang that up.
You literally got a golf course air horn ticket.
Now that brings us to the most recent time that we did ghillie suit golf course air horn, where we were not attacked and we were not arrested, but it was very funny, and the cops, of course, came.
Splash! Splash coming out westbound.
I think somebody's already calling the cops on us.
That was the cop right there. Cop is here. Cop is here. I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, I had to text the group chat to let them know the cops are here.
There's 2 cop cars on the golf course. We haven't even pranked anyone yet, but some dude felt the need to call the cops on us because he saw some ghillie suits, even though we haven't even done anything. I think we should prank him anyway. Oh man. We didn't even get to prank anyone yet. We're just gonna prank our friends who were golfing and honk the horn when they swing. Yeah.
We were waiting for them.
We didn't even do it yet though.
Yeah.
How did you guys, what happened?
Already spotted.
That guy across the street called. I was gonna go talk to him and tell him, but then you guys showed up so fast. JoogSquad? Yeah.
I was actually from Florida.
Oh, awesome. I know. Well, we didn't go on the course either. You know, we were hiding on the outskirts because we know the problem is that we aren't supposed to trespass if we're not members on the thing. So we figured our gray area was hiding here and not on the golf course. That way, are we actually doing anything wrong at that point?
You know, you can hang out here, but you know, sounding a horn and stuff like that, you're going to be disturbing someone's peace, and then someone's going to call us.
Don't they have to directly complain that we're disturbing their peace, though?
Yeah. You already got one complaint on
Oh, we didn't even do anything.
We've just been standing around.
Dude, it's our hair, bro. I bet if we cut our hair, that he wouldn't call on us. Shout out to all those who have served, made the ultimate sacrifice. We are sitting at a memorial right now. Ultimate respect to all these fellas. No disrespect to any of the Marines, ever. And if you do disrespect Marines, f yourself. So, the cops came, but we didn't do anything wrong, and we came to the conclusion and realization that the only thing we could actually be charged for is disturbing the peace. But that would require someone to call the cops on us for blowing the horn and for the cops to want to charge us with disturbing the peace. Good news is, one of the girl cops I was homeschooled with. I don't know what the odds of that are, but I was not homeschooled with very many people. We're hiding in plain sight now. We don't even have to hide at all. And I think when some golfers come, we're just gonna prank the shit out of them and then leave. Ow! Ow! Oh, my ears. Oh, my ears. I stand still, they'll think I'm a bush. They're looking at me. You're looking straight at us. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh! Ow!
I'm sorry, man. I won't do it again.
Oh God, he's so pissed.
I had a Ghillie suit right here. Clever. Let me go take his head off.
So I shouldn't do it again?
Probably not.
But it'd be hilarious. Oh, you got me that time. Alright, you win. Sorry, I'm horny. I promise it's funny.
Hey guys,
What's up, man?
are you guys blowing some sort of a horn at the golfers?
Oh, we heard that. It was coming from down there. Yeah, I don't know. I think it was, I think he was wearing camouflage. Similar.
Could you do me a favor and not do that, please?
Yeah, if I see him, I'll let you know.
No, sir, I'm asking you and you guys not.
Yes. We're about to leave to go back to our bush. Sorry for the inconvenience. You won't see us again, I promise. We don't want to have to talk to the cops. Have a nice day. Oh, he's talking to the security. Oh, oh, where are we gonna go? Get in the bush, mate. Be a bush. Oh, shit, I hear sirens. Good call on moving to a new bush, Scummy. Hey, man. Right now? Oh, shit. That's what we were trying to avoid all day. Ow. What do we do?
You got people calling us.
Oh. Well, we were leaving. My friend's picking us up right now.
What did Chief like that?
Stay off the golf course?
What do you want? What do you want to do?
We're leaving right now. Our friend is literally picking us up right now.
You sure?
Yes.
Just be honest with me.
I promise. We're literally waiting here for an Uber.
You drove by.
You see the cop car and the guy that's dressed as a bush? Yeah, that's me. Yeah, we're literally leaving this second. And we won't be back.
Alright.
This is like a once a year thing for us.
I know. Alright, Merry Christmas.
Sorry for wasting your time, man. I know what you're thinking. What is next, Juke Squad? Pretty simple. Like the video and subscribe. And just remember that the best is yet to come. I'm just gonna keep telling you the same thing over and over again until you listen.